These 10 animal hybrids exist in the wild and labs, and the number 1 will leave you questioning nature itself. Stay tuned as we count down the most astonishing blends you've never imagined. Imagine a creature that carries the strength of a horse and the endurance of a donkey, yet cannot reproduce. Mules arise when a male donkey, Jack, mates with a female horse, Mare, inheriting the horse's size and the donkey's sure-footedness. Their hybrid vigor makes them prized as pack animals, especially in mountainous regions where stamina matters more than speed. While sterile, mules exhibit a calm temperament and resistance to many equine diseases, which is why they've served humans for centuries, from ancient caravans to modern agricultural work. Their keen sense of balance also makes them excellent riders for novices. Stay with us as we move to the next marvel, a creature that towers over its parents in size.
Surprisingly, when a male lion meets a female tiger, the result is a massive, tawny striped marvel called a liger. Ligers inherit the lion's majestic mane-like fur around the head and the tiger's distinctive stripes, creating a striking pattern unlike any single species. They can grow to over 10 feet in length and weigh more than 900 pounds, reportedly making them the largest known cat. Because lions and tigers occupy different continents in the wild, ligers only exist in captivity where breeders have orchestrated the cross. While they share the playful nature of both parents, health issues such as joint problems can arise due to their sheer size. Up next, a zebra-donkey blend that sports a dazzling coat.
In the arid plains of Africa, a rare cross between a zebra and a donkey produces the striking Zonkey. This hybrid displays the donkey's sturdy build and the zebra's iconic striped pattern, though the stripes are usually limited to the legs, neck, and torso. Zonkeys inherit the donkey's hardiness and the zebra's resistance to certain parasites, making them surprisingly adaptable to harsh environments. Though they are generally sterile, a few documented cases of limited fertility have sparked scientific curiosity about equid genetics. Their unique appearance has occasionally been used in tourism, yet conservationists caution against encouraging such crosses in the wild. Next, we dive into a marine marvel that swims between dolphin and whale.
Rarely seen, the Wholphin blends the sleekness of a bottlenose dolphin with the power of a false killer whale. First recorded in a Hawaiian aquarium, these hybrids inherit the dolphin's playful intelligence and the larger false killer whale's robust body, reaching lengths of up to 12 feet. Their dorsal fins are taller than a typical dolphin's, and they possess a unique vocal repertoire that mixes clicks and whistles from both parents. Wholphins are fertile, and at least one has successfully sired offspring with a pure bottlenose dolphin, suggesting a surprising level of genetic compatibility. Researchers study them to understand cetacean evolution and the limits of interspecies breeding. Coming up, a desert dweller that marries camel elegance with llama charm.
Hidden in a South African research farm, the Cama emerges as a gentle, long-necked wonder. Scientists combined a male dromedary camel with a female llama using artificial insemination, producing offspring that stand about 5 feet tall, with a camel's humps and a llama's soft wool. The Cama inherits the camel's ability to endure extreme heat and dehydration, while also possessing the llama's more docile temperament, making it an intriguing candidate for sustainable livestock in arid regions. Though only a handful exist, the Cama demonstrates that hybridization can potentially create animals suited for changing climates. Their existence also raises ethical questions about human-directed breeding. Up next, a robust cattle-bison mix that roams the American prairies.
Bewildered ranchers once discovered that crossing domestic cattle with American bison yields the robust Beefalo. These hybrids combine the bison's hardness, disease resistance, and lean meat with the cattle's docile nature and higher milk production. Typically, Beefalo contain about 3/4 bison genetics, resulting in animals that thrive on sparse grasslands and require less supplemental feed. Their meat is often praised for being lower in fat and higher in protein, prompting interest from sustainable agriculture advocates. While fertile, breeding Beefalo can be challenging due to differing mating behaviors, and some states regulate their ownership to protect pure bison herds. Next, we explore a feline fusion that fuses jungle spots with a regal mane.
Legend says the Jaglion roams the shadows of South American zoos, bearing spots and a mane. This hybrid arises when a male lion mates with a female jaguar, resulting in offspring that inherit the jaguar's rosettes on a slightly tawny coat, along with a faint, lion-like mane along the neck. Jaglions are typically larger than pure jaguars, but more agile than lions, displaying a blend of the two predators' hunting strategies. Though rare, documented cases have shown that jaglions can be fertile, especially when paired with lions, suggesting a complex genetic compatibility. Their existence fuels debates about the ethics of breeding big cat hybrids for exhibition. Stay tuned for the next beast, a bear that straddles the line between the Arctic and the Rockies.
Scientists have documented a rare union between grizzly and polar bears, producing the enigmatic Grolar bear. These hybrids have been observed in the wild where the ranges of the two species overlap, particularly in northern Canada. A Grolar bear typically exhibits a blend of physical traits: a lighter coat than a grizzly but darker than a polar bear, a slightly elongated skull, and a mix of hunting behaviors from both parents. Genetic testing confirms the presence of DNA from both species, indicating that climate-driven habitat changes may increase such encounters. While the long-term viability of Grolar bears remains uncertain, they highlight the fluidity of species boundaries in a changing world. Up next, a sleek feline hybrid that fuses the puma's grace with a leopard spots.
Fascinatingly, the Pumapard carries the sleek silhouette of a puma stitched with the rosettes of a leopard. Bred in captivity, this hybrid showcases the puma's powerful hind limbs and the leopard's striking coat pattern, resulting in a cat that can reach speeds comparable to both parents. Pumapards often inherit a temperament that is more docile than a wild leopard, but retain the puma's solitary hunting instincts. Their coat may display a muted golden hue with dark spots, offering camouflage across varied terrains. Though fertile in some cases, most pumapards are bred for exhibition rather than conservation, prompting discussions about the purpose of creating such hybrids. Finally, we arrive at the most astonishing amphibian blend that challenges our understanding of metamorphosis.
Finally, the astonishing hybrid salamander, a blend of axolotl and Mexican tiger salamander, defies expectations with its dual life stages. Researchers in Mexico successfully crossed these species, producing offspring that retain the axolotl's neotenic, gilled appearance while also possessing the tiger salamander's ability to undergo complete metamorphosis. This means some hybrids remain aquatic forever, while others transition to terrestrial adulthood, offering a living laboratory for studying developmental biology. The hybrid exhibits a mottled coloration combining the axolotl's pinkish hue with the tiger salamander's bold blotches, and it can reach lengths of up to 12 inches. While still a subject of ongoing study, this creature illustrates how genetic exchange can yield entirely new phenotypes, expanding the horizons of what we consider possible in nature.
What a journey through nature's most extraordinary mash-ups. From sturdy mules to the ethereal axolotl salamander hybrid, each creature shows how genetics can craft wonders beyond imagination. If you loved exploring these living curiosities, hit subscribe so you never miss our weekly deep dives into the planet's most mind-blowing lists. Which hybrid blew your mind the most? Let us know below, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a like to help others discover these marvels. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.